Look at these trains. Let's go that way, Daddy. Let's see. Go down that way?
I'm not playing scavenger with me this year.
No, go that way. I'm sorry.
Down there. They're everywhere.
There we go. And look at all this wonderful stuff. Look at all the trains. Did it get dark in here? Look up there. There's a hot air balloon. There's a hot air balloon and there's airplanes. Wonderful. Look, you see all the little characters on there, Caroline. Go ride in the trains. Now there's even smoke coming from the trains. Look at this. There's a UFO. There's an alien. We'll all be ding dong.
Yep.
There's even a Sphinx. Where's Bumble? I see Bumble.
Roadrunner.
Over there. Where's the Roadrunner? Who's that little guy?
I don't know, probably the scavenger hunt.
It looks like Snape or something, but it's not Snape. Look at his shirt. He's got Mickey on it, Caroline. Caroline, look, Chris. Let her see Mickey. Look, Mickey.
There's one a shirt.
Here's a Mickey on his shirt. A Mickey shirt.
There's also been on the trains in this.
Yeah. Mickey shirt. Wow. So fun. Anyway, I'm going to put this down so I can put another hand. What is it? Dinosaurs. Whoops. Oops, sorry. I'm sorry, I'm trying to go that way too. Okay.
Look up there. What do you see up there?
This is terrific. They gave us a ticket this year.
You see Mickey?
How fun is that?
I'll see if I can find it.
I love it. They have tickets. And they even have buttons. That is a silly button. Oh, I can't get this in focus. Let me see if I can get a better shot. Let's see. There we go. There we go. Wow, look at it. It got dark again. What do you think? How neat. Look at that. That's great, isn't it, Caroline? Do you see in there? What do you think? Isn't it fabulous? The Mickey? Oh, no, that was somebody's shirt had Mickey on it.
Look, I see them.
Oh, my goodness. Are you kidding me? Do you see who it is? Oh, I don't remember that from before. Do you see who's in there? Wow, look, look, look.
Do you see Anna?
Anna and Elsa are in there.
Elsa?
Do you see that?
Elsa.
Olaf? Oh my goodness, your favorite. Your favorites, Anna and Elsa. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. No, no, no. We don't pick anything up, okay? They're not for us to touch, okay? No, don't touch. We just look. What do you think? Have you ever imagined trains like this? There you go. Now you can see. Oh, I see Anna. Come here, come here. I see Princess Anna. She's up top. There's Anna. We even have the troll. You see? Yay! Can you believe that? Wonderful. Look over here. Hey, look, Caroline, look who's up here. Look who's up here. She found Mickey? Did you see Rapunzel? You see Rapunzel? Yeah, there's Rapunzel. Rapunzel and Mickey, and my phone's blurry for some reason. Let's see. Let's all smile. Cheese. Cheese and smile. Give me a big smile, Caroline.
Wicked smile.
Good job. Look over here. What else do we see? Look up there. Do you see another?
Canada train.
Yeah, up there. There's another train that's all lit up.
Look at Snoopy. He's all the way up there.
Wonderful. Yeah.
He's also here too.
Look.
Charlie Brown and Lucy and Snoopy.
Do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Let me fix it for you a little bit better, okay? Look at that. Isn't that terrific?
Look at this area. Elvis Castle as well.
Oh, fantastic.
You should have it here. Okay, you should have to get a little time.
No, all the steps and everything is so amazing. Can you believe it? What else do you see? There's another hot air balloon up top over here. Beautiful. Oh my goodness, I love that. That might be one of my favorite pieces I think I've ever seen. Look at that beautiful church all lit up. I love it. I love the church all lit up for Christmas. It's beautiful.
There's another one.
Wow, look at the lights came on again. Do you see? Wow. I like the colorful hot air balloons. So pretty. See? Look, all the Rudolph friends. You see all the Rudolph friends?
Pretty much everyone.
It really is.
And all the toys.
Yay.
Even like the other elves.
What's over here? Hey, I see Rocky and Bullwinkle. You don't really know about them yet, but Mommy and Daddy grew up watching a lot of Rocky and Bullwinkle.
Who's up here? Who's that?
That's Bullwinkle. He's a moose. Can you see moose?
Who's that? Who's
Who do you
this?
see here?
Who's
Oh my
this?
goodness, who is it? It's Buddy. It's Buddy, your favorite. That's the story of Buddy the elf. I like this cookie factory. It's fabulous. Let's go back around one more time while it's lit up. Let's see more different things. Go back that way. Look down there. Do you see the Grinch? There's the Grinch. And his doggy. Look, Caroline, it's Belle. I see Belle down there. Do you see Belle? We're going to watch a special Beauty and the Beast this week. They have a new Beauty and the Beast coming. Yeah, do you see? Look over here, I see Frosty. Did you see Frosty before? I see Frosty, and I also see the little blue elf from Rudolph. Come here. Come see Frosty before it gets dark again. There's Frosty right there. See Frosty? Frosty's right there. And then up there, there's Rudolph. There's Rudolph, and there's that little blue elf and the Santa from Rudolph. Yeah. What else? What else do we see? So much fun. I see boats down there too. Do you see the big boats? Did we just go to the boat parade yesterday? We did. A Christmas story train. Oh, neat. This Frosty. Snowman. Let's do one more lap real fast. Oh, look over here. Who's this, Chris? I don't know who that is. Probably a Star Wars character. I don't know. It looks kind of like Mark Hamill, but I can't tell. Like Luke Skywalker, I mean. Yeah. Oh my goodness.
That smells bad, so.
Yeah, I know. I see a little Santa hiding on a train. You want to see a little Santa hiding on a train? Look, he's up there. You see this little red car up here? There's a little Santa. Yep. All right, let's say goodbye to the trains. It's time for the trains to be done.
Right.
So fun. Say bye-bye. Yeah, let's take a picture with the trains before we leave, okay? Yeah. Bye, trains. Bye, buddy. Here, let's take the train. Let's take a picture from here and there. Oh, and there's even the heat miser. I didn't see that. Look up there. Yay. Merry Christmas. Say Merry Christmas. Ho, ho, ho. Let's take our masks off for the end. Take a picture. Ready? Ready? Let's take a... Say bye, trains. Whoa. Say toodaloo. Smile, Caroline. Look at Mom.
Caroline.
It's time to go, honey.
Look and smile.
Look and smile.
Look and smile.
Cheese.
Look.
Ho, ho, ho.